In that Python file we are gonna create these things. Okay, sorry. Okay, now I erased that. So we are gonna create a Flask. So if you read the tutorials, go back from that, from Flask, I'm gonna import Flask class and render template class, request class, URL for class. Okay, okay. After that, I'm gonna initialize the app. Okay, using the Flask class. In that Flask class, we are gonna put a name which will be understood by the Python. Okay. After that, we are gonna create a route and app.route. Okay, let's go back to index.html. Sorry, the register. Okay, in that we're gonna create a function called add. Sorry, create. Just write it. You can write any name. Okay. After that, I'm gonna return back to the render template and HTML page. It is an index.html. Actually, I created a HTML in before tutorials, and we have an inheritance class. That inheritance class, this is the inheritance class. Okay, wait a minute. I need to change it. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay. Base is an parent class and index is an inheritance class. So inheritance class we cannot use like that. Just in this I am gonna take this features and all, and because I need to register the data, so I'm clicking with this register. Okay, after that here also register. If you need to detail about the bootstrap and all, go back to the tutorials. Okay, because this is the root register, so here is the register. If I click the register button, it will be going to the register through this href link, this CR link, and it will be going there here, and again it will be going to the index.html. Okay, you can actually have, oh sorry, I forgot to import SQLite. Okay, that's it. After that, at app.route, I'm gonna import to add or something called, because it should be redirected there, right? So just write add, and I'm gonna create a function call, define function called add itself. That's it. Okay, then return a render template called add.html. Okay, okay. First, let us finish this program. If that is a basic program, not in depth, we are going to do that. Let us finish the loop. If name underscore is comparing to my main program, sorry for that. Main program, my app should be running and debug the debug itself. Okay, that is for that call. So in index, I am gonna write here link. In this link, I am gonna create add. Okay, we're gonna not add really that add. We're gonna make a hyperlink reference to /add. After that, we're closing the tag, and we need a button or something like that. Just click here, something. Okay, it should be the button. Okay, let's go to the main program and run. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, because if we open, run the program, it will be going to root directly to the register. So first we will go here. Okay, now let's run this program. Okay, okay, look, if we click register or if we click the slash, it will be directly going to the index.html template, and there will be a just click here. So here it is, just click here, so we can click because it's a link. So it goes to the ad and it creates an expectation that is a error because we didn't create a error add is HTML. Okay, so we're gonna create an add.html. So add.html. Okay, in this actually I'm gonna copy from index. Okay, so because it will be taking the time. If you need to see the videos, just go back to my tutorials. So actually I already extended this, so it is, let's write it as an register page or something. Okay, and we're gonna make a form here. In this form it has a class, so it is not a form, it's not a class, sorry. It is an action. That action means it needs to go to some page when we're clicking submit or something. So that is a saved detail page. So it has some method, method equal to post method. So actually I already created this, so I'm taking the table. Okay, table form from there, let's paste it here. Okay, because this is a table, in this table we are going to create tr tag. So td tag, it has a name in this td tag, so we're going to type input type text name. So because this forms, creating a register forms, and I already told in this before tutorial. If you want to see, just go there and see. Okay, now let's go here. Now let's run, because the program is already in running condition only. So let's go there, just click here. Look, it created an email, name, address. So I can put my name is Vicky. Okay, next okay, address my address is something called something. Okay, now if I'm going to submit here, so look, it has an action called save detail. So in this we put it as a saved detail. So you need to see the method, which method it gone there. So let's go there in here and look here. It gone in a get method, okay, not in a post method, because we didn't mention anything here, or we didn't route to anything. So let's go there and create a app dot route. So let's create a save detail. What is that we created there? Saved detail. Yeah, and we're gonna make a method, sorry, methods equal to post comma get. Okay, post comma get. These are the two methods we are going to use here. So this we are going to define save. Okay, let's go in there. In this define function we are going to put the message equal to message. This message is a variable, so I will explain why we are putting this message is equal to message down there. So let's go to the if method. If our request dot method, that is if it is compared to post, okay, that method is compared to post, just go in here and we're gonna use try bar except method. So in this try we are gonna name equal to request dot form. Okay, this request dot form we are going to get try request dot form, because we are gonna create the name that is in the form. This is the name, email, address. We put the name as your name, and that name for email as email, and name for address as address. So if we put here as NAM in this Python, here you should put it as NAM. So because it will be connecting to your Python, the system. Okay, so request dot form, and we are gonna call that names, okay, as name. Sorry for that. After that, email equal to request dot form, and in this it will be email, okay, address equal to request dot form, okay, and this is an OC address. Okay, now with the help of SQLite 3, okay, SQLite 3, we are gonna connect with our database called, sorry, test1.database, okay, and we are gonna create this SQLite as con. I'm creating an object for that, and in this we are creating a object is equal to con.cursor. Cursor is a function or class in this SQLite. Now we are gonna creating this cur.execute. Okay, this cur.execute will be help to insert it in your, wait a minute, we need to know what is the table. Table is called table 1. Okay, so we are going to insert into table 1 the name, email address, these values and all. We don't know about that values because we didn't put that values here, because in the submit only we put the values, but in the name, address, email id we didn't put the values, so it will be in a question mark only. So the name, email address, the arguments which we created here, it came here. We are passing this. Okay, after that we are gonna commit these connections here. After that we are gonna write a message. There is a pass a message that we successfully created your profile. Okay. Okay. After that, if when we are trying this post method, if it doesn't work, so we are gonna go to the expect. So in this we are gonna roll back the connections, and we are gonna say that sorry, we failed. Just a statement. Okay. After that we're gonna move finally return our HTML file called su success.html, and in this we are gonna put that message, pass these messages down. Okay, look, this one is a default message. This message is a default message. If this try is down working and accept is also not working, this default message will be going there. Okay, finally we put that finally, but let us go there. Okay, now let us run this. Okay, something is missing. If post, yeah, I missed here that quotations. Okay, as a con oh, okay, let's go back there, and in this we are going to register. Just click here and just type the name, my email id and the name. Okay, it won't be allowed because if, look, come here, it is a post method. So if it is a post method, it is going to this trying, so everything will be correct, but at the end we are saying that we need to return to this HTML. So we need to create that HTML. Let's create an HTML for this. Okay, success.html. In that HTML we're gonna paste the same things. Okay, paste the same thing, and just view when view the profile database. Okay, and before that we are gonna pass that message. Okay, okay, let's run this. Okay, what will be happening? I don't know. Let's go register. Same process. Okay, submit. No, the method is not allowing. So we missed something. Yep. Let's go back to main Python file. In that I need to check there are some mistakes. Actually I changed this into use my table into use my user. Okay. Uh, let's go back where. Yeah, I found the post. Yes. To put this separate. Okay. Now let's run this program. Okay, it's running. Yep. You should be good at this time. Yep. Just click here, this is a register, and yeah, key and just my email address, something. Okay, let's submit. We go back to the save.detail. It's saying we successfully created your profile. So let's go back and check here my data. Look, my data. Look, wiki t at gmail 8 bar 8. These are the database. Okay, so let's. I'm giving another suggestion to you. That wait a minute, name wiki, just I'm entering the same email address, not wiki. Okay, just type Sarath or something. Okay, and it is saying that sorry we failed. Why it is saying? Because we need to, because we need to get that, we need it should be created successfully, but why it doesn't creating successfully? Because actually we made this a unique one. That email ID address is a unique one. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, where is that? Let's open the database. Add database. Okay, let's choose the file. Okay, here test. Okay, where is that thing? Yep. Okay, data. So it is not here, not that one. Sorry. Look here, and here this email is an integer and it's a not null, but it's an unique one. So but name and address is not a unique one. So if we are using this, the same sorry if we failed will be coming, because you can try with any names, but you try with any email address. Okay, it will be saving. Okay, wait a minute. Yep, look, actually this one saved. Okay, but if I'm clicking again for doing, because you can choose the same name as same anything, because if somebody is creating profiles in the website, so but everyone has a unique ID, right? So okay, I'm clicking something. Sorry we failed because the email ID is unique. Okay, so let's go back to the program, and in the next tutorial we are gonna see how we are gonna add some more context using this database, and like the age and the gender, that is a male or female, and the background, and how we are gonna upload the image. In our next tutorial we're gonna see. Okay, bye. Just don't be forgetting.